Saint Scholastica and her twin brother, Saint Benedict, met once a year to talk about God. On their final meeting, as night fell, Scholastica begged her brother to stay and continue their conversation about heaven. But Benedict refused. His monastic rule required him to return. Heartbroken, Scholastica turned to a higher authority. She bowed her head in prayer, and suddenly the clear sky erupted into a mighty storm. Rain poured down, making it impossible for Benedict to leave. Shocked, he exclaimed, "What have you done?" With a gentle smile, Scholastica replied, "I asked you, and you would not listen. So I asked God, and he did." 3 days later, Benedict saw her soul ascend to heaven in the form of a dove, a sign of her eternal glory. Saint Scholastica, a woman of faith, whose prayer moved even the skies.